Hello, today I'm going to show you the easy way to remove a bike chain. Just take your bolt cutter and just go chomp right on it like that. So why did I cut that chain off of that bike? Because I needed wheels and chain for my train. There's my train that I'm working on. I got my locomotive and my tender with my air tank. I couldn't even begin to tell you how much engineering and know-how goes into something like this. See the wire as well as the shaft that's going to attach to the motor. And it's going to drive these chains you see hanging out, and the motor's going to be mounted right here. I like to build this little demo motor that's in this like 1950s World Book Encyclopedia. And I want to go big or go home. Yeah, this says 3/8 diameter pipe, 1/2 inch pipe, a 5/8 dowel rod, number 20 wire. We don't want to do that. We want to go with a 2-inch dowel rod, an 1.25 EMT, as well as 500 feet of number 14 solid copper THHN. Yeah, I figured out a way to get capacitors to run a motor. My motor's going to have 2 windings in it. The second winding is going to be a charging bigger winding. It's going to step the voltage up, and with diodes it's going to charge the capacitors. When one capacitor is spent, I move on to the next one, and while I'm using the next one, that one recharges. And I just go down the line and around powering the motor with these switches right here. These 4 switches here are for straight DC. And these 2 3-way switches here are to make AC. Yeah, you can see my charging box down in there too. All that's going to be melted up inside there. There you can see my hook with the pin. That air tank is coming up here, and it's going to go to the horn and the brakes. I'm going to have a spring holding the brakes closed, and when I add air to it, it's going to push them open with a piston and cylinder. This whole thing is pretty much all junk and scrap materials that I had laying around. I tell you, that is one hell of a thing that I created. Yeah, I cannot wait to have this outside going around my track once it's built. Yeah, I'm going to build a tank car out of office water coolers. I'm going to put like 4 of them on one car. And I'm going to make a hopper car of 4 buckets. And then we're going to make a box car. And then we're going to make a 2-passenger car. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned.